Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 33. Hope you all are fine and safe. So in the last class we have discussed about our the chapter name presentations. That means the chapter related to the presentations. We have completed that chapter. We have done few activities, the remaining activities that we have completed, and our chapter is also completed there. So what all things we have discussed in the last class? We have studied how to insert table and charts in the presentation, how to add hyperlink, how to add presentation files, and about the slide sorting. You all will be knowing that how to insert chart and tables. You can see here, this is also the presentation, a kind of presentation that I am showing here. You can see the slide previous knowledge over here. You can see the learning objective, another slide, the introduction slide you can see. Okay, so from here we have studied the activity of inserting the chart and the table. From here we can insert the chart, insert the table also. And next we have we studied how to give the hyperlink. From the insert, when you click on the option hyperlink, you can type the URL, and when you click on OK, when you can in this format we can apply the link. That means before we have to write the text or the sentence or an image, where to which format. That means if we are giving the hyperlink to the text, we have to type the text first. After that, select that particular text and go to insert menu. From there click on the option hyperlink, and here you have to write the URL address, and when you click on OK, and when you click on that particular text, it will be directed to that URL page. Okay, in this way we can give the hyperlink. In the same way we have studied about giving the interaction. Okay, then we have studied how to add presentation files. That means if you want to add any slide from the presentations that is created by other people, or any other presentation from outside presentation, that also we can add by using insert slides. Okay, and we have studied about the slide sorting. If I want to sort the slides in any other format, that is also possible. So this much things we have studied in the last session, and overall when you discuss what we in that chapter, we studied about the LibreOffice Impress, how to select a template, how to include and arrange a picture, how to include a video, to provide interaction, to provide hyperlink, to insert chart and tables, to add presentations, and slide sorting. Okay, so today we will be moving to the next chapter. The chapter name is Designing a Web Page. Okay, so for that I will open the textbook. We will wait for it to come. Yes. So here, did you heard about the web page? Are you familiar with the word web page? Mostly all of them will be familiar with the word web page. You all will be knowing, you all have studied about, you all have seen the web pages, right? So first I will be taking the chapter. Just a second. This is the chapter which we have completed. The chapter is Making a Presentation Impressive. Here we have studied about the slide template, then including a video, including and arranging a picture, interaction window, giving the hyperlink, inserting the chart and table, to add presentation files, slide sorting. So today we are moving to another chapter named Designing a Web Page. Okay, so what are these web pages? Here I am taking the search engine Google. The search engine Google is available in the browser, in any of the browser. That means you all will be knowing about the browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Chromium, Microsoft Edge, Okay, you all will be Internet Explorer. So these are some of the browsers. In this browser, you will be seeing different search engine. One of the popular search engine which we are using is Google. Google search engine. Bing is also one of the search engine. So in this, here this is the search engine Google, and in this search engine I am going to type a topic or a title. That means I am typing here ICT textbook. ICT textbook. When I click enter, you will be getting a lot of links here. When you click on this link, you will be getting different pages. We can name like they all are the web pages. When we search about a particular topic in a search engine, you will be getting a lot of the web pages. When you click each links, you will be getting different types of web pages. Okay. So this is one of the web page. This is a PDF file that it is in the one of the web page. So in this way, these web pages we are getting when we search in any of the search engine, and the search engine we can see in browsers. We can use any of the browsers. Okay. If you search about the Google itself, you will be getting different web pages related to the Google. So these web pages, how they are creating, but how we are seeing the web pages in front of us in this format. Who is creating the web page? How it is created? We are studying about that. Designing a web page. When you select, here I am writing any of this site name. That means Kerala Kalamandalam. Okay. This is the Kerala Kalamandalam. When I search about this, you will be getting a lot of web pages related to the Kerala Kalamandalam. Suppose I am typing here Kalamandalam. Just a second. If I am typing any of the website name, you all will be knowing about the different websites. Okay, so here I am typing any of the website. That means Kalamandalam, we must know the website address, right? So kerala.gov.in. Kerala.gov.in. So when you click enter, you will be getting the Kerala state portal. Okay, this is the portal. Here you can see a website. Here you can see a lot of web pages. Okay, so it's loading now. So a website means group of the web pages. Here you can see different web pages. When you click on each link, this is the home page. When you click on another link, you will be getting another page related to that particular topic. So this website includes a web portal. Web portal means it is a way to enter to that website, and in this website you can see a lot of links. When you click on each link, you will be getting different web pages. So all web pages constitutes a website. Okay, and when you click on the Kerala Kalamandalam here like this, when you click in the search engine, you will be getting a lot of web pages. So how these web pages are created, how we can create a web page? You all will be knowing that you have studied about a programming language known as Python. Okay, in this way, here also for creating the web page, we will be using a markup language, and that language is known as HTML or hypertext markup language. So for creating the web pages, for seeing the web pages as we wish, we will be using the markup language like HTML, and by using the HTML programming language, we are creating the web pages as we wish. Okay, so here we are going to study about the HTML, how we can use HTML, what is the HTML, what all are there in the HTML, how the web pages are created by using HTML. Okay, so first activity which we are using is deciding the content. Open various websites from the internet and analyze their content and also how they are arranged. Shouldn't we make our web pages also attractive in this manner? Yes. If we are creating a web page, what all things we can include? If I am going to create the web page of Kalolsavam of our school, what all things I can include in that web pages? We can include heading, we can include subheadings, pictures, audios, videos, a lot of things we can include. So first activity is deciding the content. We have decided the content. If I am going to create a Kalolsavam web page related to our school, I am going to add headings, subheadings, pictures, videos, audios, images, a lot of things I will be adding there. That is the first thing, we have decided the content. Next I am going to create a web page. Okay, so before you have to understand what is HTML. Here you can see what is HTML. Web pages are interconnected hypertext documents. The markup language used for preparing these web pages is called HTML. So what all things that you can see by searching in Google, in internet, all will be available in different pages or through different websites. So how they are getting in front of us by using they are programmed by a language known as HTML. Okay, we can create different web pages as we wish by using HTML. So next activity is, let's create a web page. Here we are going to create the web page. The set of instructions used to define the contents and their arrangements in a web page are called HTML tags. Okay, if we want to create a web page, we have to write the language HTML. For writing the programming language, we will be using different instructions. Okay, so for defining the contents, for setting the web page, we will be writing different instructions for defining the contents. So such set of instructions that we are using to create the web page in HTML are called tags, and that tags can be typed in angular brackets. Okay, so how we can write this, where we will program this? We all will be knowing that for Python you will be writing the Python programs in IDLE. You can open like application program IDLE. In the same format we will be writing the HTML code, HTML instructions in a text editor. We can open the text editor like application, accessories. Here we will be using text editor. Yes, so this is the text editor. Here we will be writing the HTML instructions, HTML code. Okay, so here I am going to type the code, and you all will be knowing that the HTML instructions are known as, initially it will be typed in angular brackets. Okay, angular brackets, you all will be knowing the angular bracket in the keyboard. It is available, the less than and greater than. We can name it as the angular brackets. The content along with the HTML tags included in a web page is called HTML element. This is known as this angular brackets, we can name it as the HTML tags, and what we are writing inside the HTML tag. Here what we are writing inside the HTML tag, that is known as the HTML element. Okay, so if I write here like HTML, so this is the an element name is HTML, and it is written inside the HTML tag. This HTML tag when a web page is prepared, HTML is given initially to denote the beginning and /HTML is used at the end to denote the ending of the page. When we are creating a web page, we will be writing the program in HTML. We will first start the program. The beginning of the program will be, we will be start by using a tag, HTML tag. Okay, HTML opening tag, and for closing tag we will be using one / extra. Okay, in this way we will close the tag. So this is the opening tag. Every time if the program is starting, we will open it by HTML tag and we will close that page by /HTML. Okay, the contents are given in between. Okay, so I hope you understood. So the instructions that contain an opening and a closing tag is called container tags. They are known as the container tags. Here you can see HTML is opened. HTML this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Here you can see this is the closing tag /HTML. This is the beginning tag HTML, and in between you can see they all are the contents. Okay. The common structure of the HTML tags in a web page is given in figure 8.1. This is the basic HTML tags. This is the basic HTML tags. HTML, our opening tag. After that, head. Inside the head tag, we will be giving the title of the page. You can see different titles for web pages. Okay, when you take here, you can see the title Kerala State Portal. Here Kerala Kalamandalam. So for getting this title, we will be adding, we will be giving the title inside the head tag. We have to open the head tag. In the same way we have to close the head tag. And under the heading, under the title, what all the headings we are giving, what are the subheadings we are giving, that all we will be giving inside the body tag. We have to open body tag, we have to close the body tag, and at last when we finish writing the program, we have to close it by the HTML tag. Okay, so this I will be showing in the text editor how it is working. So here, open the HTML tag. After that, put tab. You have to click on the tab in the keyboard. After that, again write head, close, enter, put tab. We have to write title. Here I am writing School Kalolsavam. We have to close this slide title. How we can close that /title? Everything what we are opening here, we must close by writing it as in the adding /. And next we can close the head, right? We can close the head. After that, I am adding body. Body means inside the body we will write the contents. And here put a tab. Here write content area. This is the basic structure of the HTML tag. Next what we have to do, we have to close the body. After that, we have to close the HTML. So what you can understand here, HTML opening tag, that means when we are writing an HTML, we have a start program, open the HTML tag. Then if you want to write the title can be given inside the head tag. Open the head tag, open the title, close the title, open the head, close the head tag. Open body, here you can write the contents, close body. At last, if you are completing the program, close the HTML tag. So this is the basic HTML. This I am going to save, like file, save. So here we are writing sample program, sample HTML, and we have to save it as sample program. We will write the extension, we have to save it as HTML. After that, in desktop, for making it accessing it easily, I am saving it in the desktop. Save. So you can see the saved program. You can see the color changes over here. Okay, if I saved, you can see the title, sample program. The color is changed. I am closing this, and after that you can see if I have given .html, you can see here this is sample program.html. That means you can see the symbol over here, slash angle brackets with symbols you can see. So now it is saved in the as the HTML file. So this is our, I am opening this our text editor. In this sphere, right click, open with other application. If the text editor is not available here, click on view all applications. So you will be getting the text editor. Click on the text editor, select. So you will be getting it opened here. Okay, next I am going to run this program. How I can run this program? Just double click on the saved program. This is the saved program. Double click. The program, how we are creating a web page. So how where the web pages are opening in any of the browser. In the same way, this web page, we have programmed a web page. That web page will be opened in the same way as the browser. When you click here, it will be opening like this. In the browser, the title we have given as School Kalolsavam, and inside the body we have given content area. So what all are things we are giving inside the body, it will be coming here in this page, and the title is given here, School Kalolsavam. Okay, so I minimize this. This also minimized. So now you can see. Now I have created a sample web page with the basic program. The title of School Kalolsavam I have given, it came here in the School Kalolsavam title. And under the body I have given content area. This content area is, you can see here. This is the basic program. Okay, so that is the activity 8.2. Let's create a web page. So now we have created a simple web page. Okay, so I hope you understood these things. So what all things we have discussed here? We have discussed how to create a web page, how to first we decided a content, then we created a web page. Okay, for that we have studied about the HTML, tags, brackets, basic HTML tags, and headings we will be studying in the next class. So if you have any doubt, you must ask me. Practice the activity. See you in the next class. Thank you.